How to transfer data from Android to iPhone wirelessly. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily share any data from Android to iPhone wirelessly. So right here, I am on my Android device and I'm going to show you how you can share your data. It could be photos, videos, audio files, or any other files. So what you basically have to do is use Google Drive as a sharing medium, where you can easily share your data wirelessly. So just tap on Google Drive and open it up. As you can see here, I'm logged into one of my Google accounts, and what I'm going to do here is simply go ahead and uh, upload a video here, and I'm going to go ahead and share it to iPhone. Tap on the plus icon, and then from here tap on folder. Now you can easily create a folder, so I'll just do shared folder and then tap on create. Once you have done that, find your folder that you've just created and tap on it. Then tap on plus, tap on upload, and it's going to take you to your file manager. You can upload any picture, video, anything you want. So what I'm going to do is select a few pictures over here. And if you want to select multiple pictures, you can just go ahead and close it out, cancel the upload, and then try to upload it again. So I'll just go ahead and long press and select a few of these pictures, and then tap on select at the top, then tap on upload. Once everything is uploaded, you can easily share the folder to any of the iOS or iPhone users. So tap on the three dots at the top right. Then you want to tap on share. And then from here, you can easily add people, or you can just share the link. To share the link, tap on manage access, and then tap on not shared. From here, tap on change. So from restricted, you want to change it to anyone with the link. And then in order to copy the link here, you can just tap on the top right corner. And as you can see here, the link has been copied. And you can share it anywhere you want. I'll just go tap and share it here. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.